Hi everyone. Today's video is about book reading. Do you love books? Do you know the most lie for the question what is your hobby is book reading. In interview or while we are chatting with our new friends, we will say the same thing. What is your hobby? Book reading. Though we won't read books, we feel book reading as a great habit. So what we are lying this, right? Why we consider it as a great habit? Because we gather knowledge, yes. We learn many vocabularies, yes. It reduces our stress. Will it reduce our stress? How? Yes. When we read comics books or novel, we get involved to it and move away from our problems. The fantasy stories that give us a great hope as nothing is impossible. We can fly, we can walk in the sea, we can make anything possible, right? So definitely it will reduce the stress. It stimulates our brain. Do book reading stimulates our brain? How? When we read a book, we will visualize the character on our own animation and we empathize the situation of the character. We will place ourselves in a character and think what is going on and how the character is going to cross the way. Even we try to find solution for those circumstances and learn a lot from the problems in the books or a novel or a story. And we can say the book is just a demo for another life. It strengthens our memory power. Think when we study a two-line question for 5 minutes or half an hour or for 10 times or for 20 times, we will forget it in a minute. But when we read a book of 50 page or 100 page or even 500 page, we never forget the character or the story or the circumstance in the first page. That is what the memory power will improve while we reading books, and also our focus increase. We never mind of any noise or disturbance around us. Our focus will only be inside the book while we are reading a good book. Thus, a book reading gives us lots of benefits. Not only benefits, it also have a personal touch with us. Here is a poem about an emotional bond with a book and the author Ruskin Bond. The poem name We Who Love Books. If you were the book lover, definitely you will high five with him. Let's read the poem. Some books I will never give away, though old and worn, their bindings torn. Upon my shelf they will always stay. Alive, still read, still fresh each dawn, their magic moments never gone. Familiar friends, those timeless tales have been with me since I was 10, and as I turn their page once again, I feel and love their old refrain. Great verse, great thought, still stand the test of time that passing by so fast. These good companions never fail to give me joy, to nourish me. We who love books will always the lucky ones of our mind set free. By Ruskin Bond. Let's see the poem line by line. Some books I will never give away. It shows how close, how emotional touch he have with a book. Some books he never give away for anything and to anyone. though old and worn, their bindings torn. Even though those books may be very old and very ugly, and though their bindings may be torn, he never wants to give away those books. Upon my shelves, they will always stay. Those books which were old and torn, which he don't want to give away, will always be in his shelf. Alive, still read, still fresh, each dawn, whenever, which means he every day at every morning when he read, it was still fresh as like the first reading. Their magical moments never gone. Always, whenever he was reading, he can feel the magical moment when he read at the first time. Familiar friends, these timeless tales. He said his book as a familiar friend, well-known friend, which means the story he had already known was his familiar friend, and they were the timeless tales. It was not only for his childhood, it was not only for the young man, it was not only for the old age. At every time he was just enjoying those tales. Have been with me since I was 10. This shows how close he was to his books. From the age of 10 until now, he was keeping the book with him. That much he loves the book, that much knowledge he gathers from the book, that much enjoyment he gathered from the books. And as I turn their page once again, I feel the love, their old reference. Whenever he turned the page once again, which means again and again, whenever he turns the page, he can feel the love which he read at the first time, the old reference, the old memories. At the first time when he opened the page, what feel, what enthusiasm he have and what interest he have, still it was never loose from the book. Great verse, great thoughts still stand the test of time that's passing by so fast. The books will have a great verse and very great thoughts. In a single line we can learn a big thought, big great things, great knowledge we can learn from the single small line. It stands the test of time that passing by so fast, that will never eradicate at any time. Even though it was years and years after the book read, it will stand in our mind and definitely it will help in our mind. Though the time pass, the great thoughts will never lose its fame, never lose its value. These good companions never fail to give me joy, to nourish me, nourish in the sense to develop me, to enrich me. These good companions, the books were the good companions that will always give us a joy and that will always develop us in secret. We who love books will always be the lucky one, our minds set free. Whoever love the books will always be lucky because they will always just involve them in the book. They will enjoy the new world in their hand. So they never want to get worried, he never want to get into the stress. They will always have a free mind, and by reading many good books, they will get a good knowledge and they will have some different kind of knowledge, different kind of experience from the book. So always they will be lucky and their mind set free. Thus, we can learn how emotional touch the poet have with his books. And also the good readers will definitely have the same feel, have the same enthuse while reading this poem. And if you like this poem, just hit like.